In primetime news this evening, it's official. PNP presidential candidates nominated for September 7 elections. Still waiting. Prime Minister's statutory declarations yet to be made public. And a section of new road in 3 miles now open to the public.
Good evening and welcome to Primetime News on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Archibald Gordon.
And I'm Janella Precious. Also this evening, the top business stories of the day, and Herman Green has our preview. Herman?
Thanks, Janella. Well, NCB is back in the spotlight with more glitches this month end. The bank had a press conference to explain, and we'll give you the details in the business day.
All right, and from business we go to sports. Jordan Fort, what's happening there?
Well, no glitches for Chris Gayle after opting out of the first 2 T20s of India's tour of the West Indies. The hard-hitting Jamaican batsman has been named as part of the ODI squad. I'll tell you more in Primetime Sports Friday.
Thanks, Jordan. There's also sports commentary, E-Prime, and weather in this newscast. But before the break, the feedback question.
This evening, we are asking, what is your view on the contest for President of the People's National Party?
You can share comments online, facebook.com/Television Jamaica, and tweet us at Television Jam.
Please stay with us. Primetime News returns right after this break.